Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to show you how to add shipping methods and edit those for when you list items and for your customers. So the first thing you want to do is go to the My Account and Register page, and once you log in it's going to bring you to the vendor dashboard, which is where we're at now. And so to do this you'll just scroll down to the bottom to Settings, and you want to click on it. And then on the next page, just scroll down till you see Shipping, and you want to click on it. On the next page, you'll just scroll down, and then you'll see three options. We've got local pickup, domestic flat rate, and free shipping. And we're going to go through each one of these and show you how to set them up. The first one we'll do is local pickup. You'll just go in here and hit Edit. And it shows you the zone name is local pickup. Everywhere is not really important here because they're actually coming to your location to pick it up. So there's really not much settings you need to adjust here. As you see, it says no method found, so you'll want to do add shipping method, and then come to the drop down menu to local pickup, and then just add shipping method, and then you can see it's added down there. And really that's all you've got to do for local pickups. You just want to save changes, and then you'll see that one has been successfully added. So that's really all there is to it on the local pickups. So we're going to go back and adjust the other two. So you'll click back onto shipping. That's going to bring you back here. And let's set up free shipping now. It's the next easiest one. We'll go to Edit. And this one's very similar. This one gives you options. Since it's free shipping, you have an option whether or not you want to apply that to everyone, or if you want to limit it to certain states. You can click on the drop-down menu and click on any state, and just enter, and you can enter it in. And it will limit it to giving it free shipping. You want to enter in your zip code. And just like on the other one, you'll come down here and it says no method found. You just want to add shipping method. Free shipping. Add shipping method. And you can see it's down there at the bottom. And these are just examples if you wanted to limit it to states. If you don't, you really don't have to enter anything into those slots. And that's all there is to do on that one. And you can see it was successfully added. And you just come down here and save changes. And then you go back to shipping, and you'll adjust the last one. It's a little bit more complicated, but it's very simple as well. Okay, domestic flat rate, you'll want to go to Edit, and it's similar to the free shipping as far as options go. No method found, so we're going to go ahead and add this. Flat rate. Now this, you're going to want to go ahead, once it's populated down here at the bottom, you're going to want to go back to it and hit Edit. And here you're going to see you can change that. You can enter in a cost, taxable or non-taxable. You can actually put in a different description if you like. And these are the options we have listed. We've got large package, large pallet, medium package, medium pallet, small package, small pallet. And each one of these can be edited separately. You put in whichever amount you would like to use, dollar amount, large package. So you just put in whatever amount that you want to charge for large packages. It can be the same way, large pallet. Let's go in random numbers here. Medium package. Medium pallet. Again, these are just random numbers we're using. Small package. Small pallet. And that's how much you'll be charging for those groups there. And then you have these two options here: charge shipping for each shipping class individually, or charge shipping for most expensive shipping class. This is the one we'll choose. And then it's save settings. And you can see this all successfully saved. And there again, you can limit to what states you send those to. Just enter in your zip code there. And then save changes. And then once that's done, you are done with your shipping. Once you list an item, you will see where you can change how you would like to ship the item on each individual item, how you're going to ship it, and that's all there is to it. I hope you are able to benefit. Thanks.